Imagine a structure reaching from Earth all the way into outer space. This is the idea of a space elevator, a concept that sounds like science fiction. The concept of space elevators has captured the imagination of scientists and engineers for decades. What could this mean for humanity's future? A space elevator could drastically reduce the cost and complexity of reaching orbit. Imagine traveling to space like riding an escalator. But how does it even work? The notion involves a cable anchored to the Earth and extending up to a counterweight in space. The tension in the cable creates stability, allowing vehicles to ascend and descend with minimal energy. It's engineering at its finest. Many challenges exist for building a space elevator. Materials must be incredibly strong, lighter than anything we've ever used. The most promising material so far is carbon nanotubes, which could potentially revolutionize construction in the realm of space travel.
Space elevators could also facilitate space tourism, making the experience accessible to more people than ever before.
Imagine a future where anyone can visit space. Not just astronauts, but adventure-seeking tourists too, thanks to a space elevator. The potential for scientific research could skyrocket with easier access to space, leading to new discoveries and innovations. Curious about how a space elevator could actually change life on Earth? Stay tuned as we explore the challenges and possibilities ahead. Building a space elevator sounds like science fiction, but engineers believe it's possible with the right materials and technology. Let's explore what's required to make it a reality. At the core of a space elevator is a strong cable that must reach from Earth into space. This cable experiences extreme forces and needs to be incredibly durable. Current materials like steel are too heavy to construct a viable elevator.
Engineers are exploring advanced materials like carbon nanotubes for their lightweight strength. The tension on the cable must be perfectly balanced. This means innovative engineering solutions are needed to manage the cable's weight and stress along its length. Weather conditions can pose a major challenge. Extreme winds or storms could threaten the structural integrity of the elevator, so robust design is essential. The elevator must also be equipped with an efficient transportation system, like a climber or robotic system, to move payloads up and down the cable. Safety systems must be integrated to handle potential failures. Designing fail-safes is crucial to prevent catastrophic incidents during operation. Instead of a traditional foundation, the base of the elevator would need advanced anchoring solutions to withstand the immense forces acting upon it. Transportation systems between the elevator and ground infrastructures, like spaceports,
must be effectively designed to create seamless access for cargo and passengers. These engineering challenges require collaboration among scientists and engineers from various fields, showcasing the beauty of teamwork in modern technology. These engineering feats may sound daunting, but with passion, innovation, and teamwork, we can move closer to making the dream of a space elevator a reality. Imagine ascending into the skies, riding a space elevator that takes us higher than we ever thought possible. What could this mean for space tourism? A journey to space would be safe and accessible. No more rocket explosions or complex space missions, just a smooth ride to the stars.
Space elevators could also revolutionize transportation, providing a direct route between Earth and orbital stations.
Imagine no more cumbersome launches. Research in microgravity environments can lead to groundbreaking discoveries in science and technology.
Space elevators can open doors for this exciting work.
Companies could send goods and materials to space swiftly, reducing costs and time. This means faster access to vital resources for research and industry. Imagine the thrill of space camps where children can participate in fun, educational activities that prepare them for future careers in space exploration. Artists and content creators could also find inspiration in the unique space environment, leading to new forms of art born from the stars. A space elevator could serve as a hub for international cooperation in space exploration, bringing countries together for shared goals and projects. With rates of space tourism likely to decline, a space elevator could maintain interest and excitement in human spaceflight for future generations. So what lies ahead if we finally construct this technological marvel? The opportunities are limitless, and the excitement is just beginning. Finally, a space elevator could enhance our understanding of Earth's atmosphere, providing a platform for atmospheric research and monitoring climate change in real time. Building a giant space elevator sounds amazing, but several challenges could make it incredibly difficult and risky to accomplish. The first major challenge is the material needed to build the elevator's cable, which must be incredibly strong and lightweight.
Current materials like steel and Kevlar aren't strong enough, so scientists are investigating options like carbon nanotubes and graphene. Another challenge involves the structure supporting the elevator, which must withstand extreme weather and space conditions.
The potential for space debris is another risk, as collisions could cause significant damage to the elevator cable and structure.
Earthquakes and natural disasters pose a threat, potentially causing the base of the elevator on Earth to become unstable.
Engineering such a massive structure requires international collaboration, which can complicate decision-making and logistics. Funding this enormous project presents its challenges, as governments and private companies must invest massive resources. Public perception and safety concerns may delay the project, as many people fear the risks of such an ambitious venture. The transportation system for moving people and cargo needs careful planning to ensure safety, comfort, and efficiency. Despite these challenges and risks, the dream of a space elevator continues to inspire innovation in engineering and space exploration.